Market update for XRP and Bitcoin on May 21st of 2025. Bitcoin has just crossed the all-time high of $110,000 since the drop from inauguration day back in January. Now, if you recall, back when we topped out around $110,000, I'd identified a bearish structure right here, which was a harmonic pattern known as the bearish shark, which had targets back down to $86,000, as well as this overall range where we topped out, we back tested into, and we're likely to rotate said range from, in this case, from high to low, which was down around that $80,000 mark, which was our yearly pivot, our high time frame average of price. Now, with this huge move, we had a ton of negative news catalysts around the tariff uncertainty that basically surrounded, it felt like the entire world for the last several weeks. That's all we heard of. And when we came down and made this move right here, where we effectively did the exact same thing that we did at the high, where we took out the high and we ended up coming down, we ended up right here taking out the low. We got a reclaim of our yearly pivot here. Once we did that, I was targeting yet again another harmonic setup with actually a target area of up in this region. Here's actually the one of the initial posts I put in the Discord server, my private community, where I post all my updates daily. This was from April 18th, so over a month ago. And you can see here at the time we were trading just about $84,000, and I had marked out this shark pattern that effectively would take us up to the 107 to 110 area, basically back to the all-time highs. Even was able to identify that it would be around the end of May. Now here locally, it would be nothing to actually see a pullback back down towards this $105,000, $106,000 area before continuing to the upside. But either way, I do anticipate Bitcoin to move higher into the $112,000 to $114,000 region. Now this is effectively where this potential harmonic pattern has a completion zone at. There's some confluence around these regions as well. So if we're going to see a pullback, it may actually come around these areas here. So it's something I'll be updating along the way. But overall, a beautiful move. So far, Bitcoin up about 50% off those lows. Now XRP, the last time that I was updating, we were trading just around this region right here. I was originally looking for a back test of the range low. We did not get it, so I made that emergency update stating that it was likely we were going to come up to our quarterly pivot, which is our high time frame average from last quarter, as well as most likely rotating this range. Now currently all eyes are going to be on Bitcoin to see if we get an actual breakout of this region and continuation higher, or even if Bitcoin does stall a bit, that will allow the altcoins to actually get a decent little move here. For XRP, the confirmation for any more upside at the moment really is us living back above this quarterly pivot. So $2.42 is the area I'd like to see XRP get back above and start closing 4-hourly candles again. From there, I'd look for a run back up to the upside. We have a couple of speed bumps along the way. 290 is one of them, 303 is the other. My main target at the moment for XRP, assuming that Bitcoin can hold for a bit, is actually up here around this $4.50 mark. Be sure to leave a like and comment down below the next crypto or stock that you'd like me to cover in the next video. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, cheers.